had tickets for 11, so about almost 2 hours. More than 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We went to the market and did other things. We made it inside and then had to leave. We heard from someone it was a fire. We saw the fire trucks arrive, but we don't know more.
And Santa
You may
was
be able
there.
to join the last floor of the Eiffel Tower.
We only were planning to go up to the second, so we're okay.
And Santa
But
was
we
right
heard
at
that
the
we
fire.
did see Santa at the fire. That's true. There was a Santa talking to the firemen.
We're getting.
I saw on my phone there was a fire reported in a lift shaft, and obviously they evacuated 1,000 people and we're waiting to see whether they're going to open it up again or not. Strangely though, from our hotel window this morning, we saw a fire. We were sure we saw a fire that way in amongst the apartment blocks this morning. I took a video of it on the phone, no, so we're just waiting.